Hey guys, it's your girl K Nail R Nail for short, and of course, I am back. Don't pay attention to that pile of shoes right there, but I am back. Hi. I've been seeing this Korean glass skin beauty trend everywhere. Like, my feed is full of it, and I'm just like, so it's a trend where you rub chicken on your face to make you look greasy, right? I mean, it defeats the purpose of like growing up what I would try to get rid of, oily skin, because no one likes seeing a greasy face all day, even though it's natural. And now they bringing that back and they're making it look better. I've got to try it. So what I'm gonna do is a skincare routine, trying to get that glass skin finish. And we're gonna do it for under $15, all right? All right, let's start. So you should already know me. I'm cheap, it's easy to get around. That's how I do stuff, because that's what I like. That's how I do, cause I like. That's what I like. That's how I do, that's what I like. That's what I like. Hickory dickory dock. We're gonna do this the cheap way, but it's still an effective skincare. Like, it helps you throughout the day or night, because when I use it towards the nighttime. You can also see, because my skin is just glowing, girl. Look at this. I got that natural glow. Hey, yeah. I'm lit today. I don't know what it is, but let's go to the routine. Let's go through it. So first up, this is going to be the most expensive thing on this list out of 4 things. And this is Indian healing clay. This is about £1. £1 you can get from $8 to $10. I usually get mine from Sprouts, but you can get it on Amazon as well. This is just so that your skin is less irritated and it gets rid of the toxins in the skin. Basically, it washes off whatever you've been through the whole day. It gets rid of that. You don't need a lot of this. This is a 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm taking 2 scoops of 1/4, 2 big scoops, and I'm putting it into a small bowl right here. And we're going to be mixing this with some apple cider vinegar. So you don't need a lot of this. I would say about 2 to 4 caps full. So here's 1. Making sure I don't spill this stuff in my room because it stinks. 2. You hear it start to sizzle? That means it's working. I think 2.5 is good enough for me. You can also do this with water. The apple cider vinegar gets it more vigorating. It gets it working faster, so you can actually feel it. Water, it takes some time. So never mix Indian clay with a metal spoon. The metal spoon demagnetizes the Indian clay, so it won't work at all. So it's supposed to heal your skin. It's supposed to help your skin. It won't do nothing for your skin if you use a metal spoon. So you want to mix it until you get this paste, and with a makeup brush or your fingers, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put it on everywhere. So I'm gonna let this sit and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Hey. So if you're dry, tingly, and you look like frickin' Shrek, then you're done. What you want to do next is you want to make sure that you wet this mud mask first, so that's a little damp and easier to take it off. And then you're going to want to wash it off. And it's just warm water that you're washing this off with, so that you can get your face ready in preparation for the next step, which is the cleanser, or the cleansing part of the face. Okay? So I'm going to go wash this off. My face feels really soft about right now. So our next step is cleansing. I'm using this, it's basically a cleansing face water, and it's by Newport. And this is a 99-cent store brand. I'm telling you, I trust this brand with my life. I use their face wipes, and usually face wipes after wiping my makeup off will break me out. But for some reason, the cheap brand works. I guess my skin is on board with me. Like, we is team cheap. Hashtag team cheap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a brush like this, lather it, and then put it on my face. Okay, so once you got it good and lathered on your skin, go ahead and wash it off with warm water like we did the mask. We cleanse our face, so we are looking pretty good right now, girl. Yeah, we should be looking a little bit more shiny or glassy. I don't know what to call it. So right now the light should be reflecting off your face because yes, girl, you did it. Yes. All right, 2 more steps to go, I promise. Now what you want to do is you want to put on a face mask. It doesn't matter what kind of face mask it is, because I have many. Try me. All at the 99-cent store, and they all work. I love them all. You just want to make sure it's moisturizing, all right? Or it hydrates your skin. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna take it out and you're gonna put it on your face. Oh, this is treat yourself day, girl. I swear. Oh. So make sure you got your mask on there, and it's another 15 to 20 minutes. You're gonna wait until it dries. So after your face mask has dried a little bit, or you're just tired of wearing it, go ahead and take it off. Ooh, that felt good. So your face should be looking like really hydrated, really rejuvenated. Girl, yeah. So what you're gonna be doing next is you're just gonna rub it in. The last part I like to do is moisturize or add lotion, whatever your moisturizer is. The 99-cent store closest to me have Dove, the beauty cream one. And I don't know how you guys feel about Dove yet, but usually the 99-cent store either carries Dove or Nivea, and they didn't have Nivea, and I really wanted it because that works excellent for my skin. I don't want to use this, but you know, if your 99-cent store has it and you still like it, then go ahead. So I often use Eucerin because Eucerin actually works for my skin. If I get really irritated, it heals it quickly. Eucerin isn't a cheap brand, by the way. I actually use Nivea a lot because Eucerin is kind of expensive, but if I get paid and it's a good day, you know what I'm about to get. So you're gonna just take some and rub it into your face like before. That pretty much completes my skincare routine, and it's kind of like my nightly skincare routine, because when you wake up, girl, you is going to be glowing. If you ain't already glowing now, you going to be glowing in the morning. Girl, you got to get your beauty sleep. That's where all your beauty comes from. It will have your skin looking more radiant and more glowing and more beautiful. If you feel beautiful and comfortable in your own skin, then guess what, girl? You look beautiful and comfortable, and you was working it. All right, okay. But that's my skincare routine, and if you like this, leave a piace, leave a like, or leave a comment down in the comment section if I forgot to mention anything, or if I should add anything to this, you know, to make my skin look even more glowy, beautiful, reflective, glowy, beautiful, reflected, you name it. You're all beautiful, and you don't need a trend to tell you that, all right? But do take care of your skin, especially if you get really irritated, if it's dry, if it's itchy, and you just want it to feel more hydrated. Then I'm hoping this will work for you, just you, only you. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you later. Bye.